I've had this thought that this consideration, which I've been trying to figure out how to language, and I'm still not sure if I'm going to be able to or not, but you know how we speak about the original separation, where, I mean, the analogy, the simplest analogy used is, when, like, if you stood in front of the thing we call a tree, the being we call a tree, before there was language, before there was iconography, before there was definition to it, we experienced this being that we now call a tree in its truest, most base, primal, raw form, right? Para form, para shakti, para adi shakti. Like, we just experienced the tree for the tree before we knew the name tree to put on it, right? So you know that state of the thing, the being. So that separation, okay, which was created with language, consciousness, narrative, story, right? This the swirl inside our heads that defines everything, everything, and the kitchen sink, as it were. I suspect what they're doing now with the digital twin, with that separation, is equal in measure and exactly the same dynamics as what happened with the first separation. I think it's been happening in degrees. I mean, we've just used this analogy, the big one of, this tree thing, just so I could tell you what I'm seeing. But really, it's been happening in degrees, right? Since the word go, whatever that means to you. There is only one. There is only the Most High. There is only the one. And it has to part, that mitosis has to happen for it to know itself.